Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Craig, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales the application knowledge tagged for you self-protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge. Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions. Total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions. Original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. The requirement for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we teach leg action. Weight, put that leg, step up. Half, no big, just half. Then shift weight to that leg. That leg also move half step. Cannot big, no, only half. Then shift weight to that leg move back. Middle, not side, middle. And then shift weight to that leg move, also the middle. The 2 foot formed T-shape. Then weight move to that leg move step half. And weight shift that leg move half either. And then weight hold that leg move forward, frame, and just middle. And then weight shift that leg move back. The 2 foot also form T-shape. That's for whole leg actions. Okay, now we do 2 times about the leg actions. Very good. We can do 1 time, 2 times for side. Yes, the side, say the 2 legs as close as possible. No distance between the 2 legs. So now we do 2 times leg again. Very good. Now we teach hand action. Hand action is a straight arm, shoulder high, and the palm close straight, and cross. And that's shoulder high, ear side with bodies one flat. And then turn palm. Either shoulder high, okay? And palm with the arm angle as like 90 degrees sometimes. Switch. Okay, now we do 2 times about the hand actions. Very good. Now we connect hand action and leg action 2 times. Width. Do this action, we also need to count. Use the 2 kind of different language. We choose the English and Hanyu. Somebody asked, why should we need choose 2 kind of language to count? Good question. Because we need exercise our cheek long. Protect our cheek long. Far away bronchitis, pandemic, and lung diseases, and many diseases. So somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, English, Spanish language. We only need 2 kind different language to count. Of course, eyes should look straight with smiling face and head think how can make our action correct. So now we do 4 times. Three, 4, 3, 4. Very good. Do the action, couple things we must know. Number 1, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number 2, the 2 foot and formed is a T-shape for good standing. Number 3, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 4, finger close, straight and straight either. Cannot make this, okay, straight. Shoulder high. Cannot do that, only shoulder high. Shoulder high. Cannot do that, only shoulder high. Yes, and palm raised. Okay, now we do 20 times with a count, 2 kind of different language, English, Hanyu. and the eyes look straight, smiling face, head sink, make a correct action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Do the action for start, beginner. You can use the whole feet. However, when you get profession, you can use the toe only. Look at the side. Yes, it is a much help support your body, lifting your body. To learn correct knowledge, must correct knowledge. You can discover, make it easy, protect your own health. At home, you can do Golden International Daily Actions, total 40 kind different actions. You got health. You can enjoy your happy life far away bronchitis, pandemic, and many diseases. You're really enjoying your wonderful life.